Hello and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will show you how to buy a energy saving LED light on TEMU for extremely cheap. So TEMU is a online shopping marketplace that delivers the product directly to consumer and provide a 90-day return policy. So here I will search for here energy saving LED. Okay, so I will just go with these. These will be 10 pieces. Okay, so this product will cost you about $63 on TEMU, like sorry, on Amazon, but here you are just paying $11.04 and hence saving 82%. So here we can see the LED bulb. So it is 15 watt. Okay, that is also 111 volts. So here we can see it will look like something like these. Okay, so here we can see its lifespan is 50,000 hours and 15 volts only. Here we can see it's a very good. It's come with 10 pieces, so each will cost of $1. So it's a very good product. So to buy, you will just click on add to cart, then you have to click on buy button and follow the instructions to make the purchase. So this is how to buy a energy saving LED on TEMU for extremely cheap, and I strongly suggest downloading and installing the TEMU app to save money.